So do you want to make beautiful mugs like this? Well, let me show you how. Let's get started. Now, since I got it all fit in the mug, I press print. Go here, change it from metal to mug. I got text print R paper. Now I hit print. Now I got my print. Got my print. Got my tape. You can find this at Cricut. Not Cricut. You can find it at Cricut.com. They probably have it. But I got it from Michael's. The mugs. This one's from Heat Press Nation. And this is the color changing one when applied to hot water. I got this from Amazon. I think Heat Press Nation has one, but I got this one from Amazon. So let's get started. Well, I'll take my scissors. And just do a rough cut for these. I should have, hold on. I should have aligned these better, but oh well. Sorry, I had to adjust it. So I'll take some pre-cut tape and set it aside just to make it a little bit more easier. Okay. All right. Now I'll take this, trying to line it up. You don't want it. See how it's so close to the ring? I'm going to use the Cricut mug press. You don't want it so close. You want to give enough space for it so it can apply the heat well, and you won't have that ghosting at the edge of it. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, that's what I'm doing, and making sure what I like to do, make sure the bottom good. And then I just double tape it. Then I get one, not one, but two more ones to go on top of this. And just make here and make sure it's just applied to the top so the ghosting won't happen on the top. And then yeah. I should have used, I shouldn't use the scissors, but you live, you learn. Now all you have to do is put it down the heat press and press. And then wait till, I don't know if you can see, yeah, wait till the lights go all the way through and it will let you know when it's done. All right. You see how all 5 are blinking and made that noise? It's time for us to pull it out. Ooh, that mug's steamy. And wait till it completely cools. While that one was doing its thing, I taped up the other one. It's a little bit better job. So this one might look better. Might look better. All right, now we're gonna do this one. So yeah, yet again, the 5 lights beep simultaneously, blinks simultaneously, and then you have that beeping sound to let you know that it's done. So pop this. Look at that steam. And you see how it was white now because the heat has been applied. So we're gonna let both of these cool. See how it's white now? Because the heat has been applied. So we're gonna let both of these cool until it's cool to the touch, and then we'll peel it off. All right. Our cups are now cool. And see, that's another thing I like about the changing mugs. You know it's cool because it's black now. It was white, now it's black. So all you have to do is wrap these. That one a little bit differently in my mind, but all right. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Respect it. Oh, it's crooked though. But anyway. Same thing for this mug. Ooh. There we go. But you kind of can still see it. And completely cool, but it's warm. But yeah, look at it. Look at it.